guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Google Photos locked folder. Unlock your phone and open the Google Photos app. Before moving forward, make sure you are logged in to the correct Google account because the locked folder is connected to your specific account data. If you accidentally use another account, your hidden photos may not appear. Once confirmed, tap on Collections at the bottom middle of the screen. Then slowly scroll down because the locked folder option is usually placed near the bottom. After scrolling down, you will see the locked folder option near the end of the page. Tap on it and Google Photos will ask you to verify your identity using your password, Face ID, or fingerprint. This extra security is there to keep your private photos protected, so simply complete the verification and continue. Enter your password or complete the Face ID verification. Once successful, your locked folder will open and all available hidden photos and videos will appear immediately. If the files were not deleted, they should show up right away. If your photos are missing from the locked folder, there is one important thing to know. Photos that were permanently deleted from the locked folder cannot be recovered through Google Photos. However, open your phone gallery and check carefully, because the original files may still be saved there before assuming they are completely gone. Look through your recent albums and recycle bin inside the Gallery app, because sometimes photos still exist in the backup even after being removed from the locked folder. If they are not there either, then recovering them becomes almost impossible. This is why it is always a good idea to keep important pictures backed up before deleting them from the locked folder. And that's how you can easily recover Google Photos locked folder step by step. Once completed, you should be able to access your hidden photos through the locked folder or find them saved in your gallery backup. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.